Good afternoon, students. So today we are going to start with the partnership. Okay, partnership organization. This is also one of the form of business organization. Okay, so see here. So before that, in the last class, what I have explained regarding the sole proprietorship, I have explained. Okay, after that sole proprietorship continuation, we are going with the partnership. Okay, see here. A partnership is an association of two or more persons to carry on as co-owners a business and to share its profits and losses. The partnership may come into existence either as a result of the expansion of the sole trading concern or by means of an agreement between two or more persons desires of forming a partnership. So here nothing but those who want to start a business, okay, even they can start a partnership business also. Nothing but why they will start the partnership business, because if suppose the capital requirement is less, or else they don't want to bear all the losses. A single person, if suppose they don't want to bear all the losses, so if suppose you don't want to take any risk, so he can easily start the partnership business. So in nothing but in a partnership business, there two or more persons, nothing but more than two members there should be to start a partnership organization. And how they can start the partnership organization means nothing but by having an agreement. By having an agreement between the two or more persons, they can start a partnership form of organization. Even a sole trading business also, it can be extended to the partnership organization. Nothing but in sole trading business, there will be only one person. If suppose another person or another two person, they want to join in that sole trade business, means what happens? Automatically it will become a partnership organization. Okay, so that is the meaning of the partnership. Okay, so that is a point over there. So here what happens means even the profits and losses, everything is shared as per their agreement or else as per the equal. Okay, so that is the meaning of the partnership. Next, coming to after the meaning, what you have to write? You have to write the definition. So here so many of the authors, they have given a definition, but first one you see this definition. According to H.L. Haney, the relationship between persons who agree to carry on a business in common with a view to private gain. So as per the H.L. Haney, what he is saying is nothing but a person, those who want to start a business, mutually they can get a, nothing but they can start the business with a view of getting a private gain. Private gain is nothing but a profit. Okay, why the persons will start the business? To gain the profit only. But as per the Partnership Act 1932 Section 4, what it says means SEMA, the relation between persons who have agreed to share profits of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. According to Partnership Act, there must be two or more persons having contractual relationship. It is not necessary that the business should be managed by all the partners, but any one or more partners can run the business on behalf of all the persons. So any partner acting on behalf of all the partners can bind the firm to the third parties. So what is the meaning of that? As per the Partnership Act 1932, what it says means the relationship between two persons who have agreed to share the profits of the business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. Nothing but those who have written an agreement to start the business. Okay, so as per the Partnership Act, how many members should be there? Two or more than